How to install and download WhatsApp on desktop. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your preferred browser in your desktop. Once you open it up, in the search bar, search for whatsapp.com/download. And once you search for it, you'll find this kind of interface in your screen. From here, simply tap on this download button and then it will get downloaded in your desktop. Now once it is downloaded, simply tap on whatsappinstaller.exe. Well, as you can see, WhatsApp is installed in our desktop, so simply tap on Get Started. And now to set up WhatsApp on your computer, simply open WhatsApp on your mobile device, tap on the settings icon, and you'll have to go ahead and point your phone at the screen to capture the QR code. And once you do that, you'll then be able to sign in to your WhatsApp account. Well, that is how you download and install WhatsApp on desktop. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.